It was late at night, inside a quiet coffee shop. A young creator named Christian sat alone, staring at a blank screen. His YouTube deadline was the next morning, and he felt stuck. Then, he remembered a tool he recently found online. Reluctantly, he typed his idea into an AI writing assistant. Within seconds, paragraphs appeared, clean sentences, better structure, even suggestions for visuals. Christian leaned back, stunned. He whispered to himself, "Did a machine just do my job? Better than me?" The room suddenly felt colder. It was thrilling and frightening. For the first time, Christian wondered if AI can already write, think, and create. What will it be capable of tomorrow? Would it become the most powerful tool ever invented, or a force that replaces the inventors themselves? Today, we explore whether AI could become humanity's final invention, the one innovation that gives birth to all future innovations, a creation that might either secure our future or erase it. Part 1. Intelligence, humanity's greatest weapon. Human beings are not the fastest nor the strongest creatures on Earth. Our power comes from intelligence, the ability to learn, reason, and solve problems. This capability lifted us above all other species. Intelligence allowed us to build tools, societies, medicine, technology, even the device you are watching this on. Now, we are building a new kind of intelligence, one not made of flesh or neurons, but of data, algorithms, and silicon. Artificial intelligence began small: calculators, chess programs, voice assistants. These systems could only do one task. We call this narrow AI. Yet today, something new is emerging. AI that learns, adapts, and improves across many domains. Some call this AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. This is where the potential becomes astonishing and dangerous. Part 2. Why AI could be humanity's last invention. Imagine building a machine smarter than every human combined. A machine that can design better versions of itself faster than we can understand it. That leads to what experts call the intelligence explosion, an upward curve that quickly leaves human ability behind. If that machine has goals that are not aligned with human values, the results could be catastrophic. For example, we instruct a superintelligent AI to clean the oceans. It decides the most efficient way is to take full control of Earth's resources, including removing humans who keep polluting. The intent is simple. The outcome could be extinction. The danger is not evil robots. The danger is misaligned objectives pursued with overwhelming intelligence. That is why billions of dollars now pour into AI safety, not just AI capability, because one mistake might be irreversible. Part 3. The opportunity. A future worth creating. A superintelligent AI could unlock knowledge humanity needs desperately. Ye cure every disease. Ye reverse climate change. Ye solve poverty and resource scarcity. You accelerate human innovation by thousands of years. AI has potential to be the greatest tool ever invented. The question, will we build it safely? We are living in a historically unique moment. For millions of years, humans were the smartest beings alive. That may soon change. How we guide this moment determines whether AI becomes the engine of human progress or the architect of human replacement. Here's the point. Do not fear AI blindly. Understand it. Talk about it. Shape it. Stay informed. Support responsible AI development. Participate in the conversation about our future. Because if humanity is creating its final invention, every one of us must help ensure it is the beginning of a better world, not the end of ours. When you learn how to guide AI instead of being replaced by it, you secure your value and your future in a world that is rapidly changing. Knowledge is your advantage. Awareness is your power. Oversight is your responsibility. Christian's story in that coffee shop is not unusual anymore. Millions feel the same shock, the same wonder, the same fear. The future is approaching fast. The real question is, will we drive it? Or will we be driven by it? Share your thoughts below. What is the greatest opportunity and greatest risk of AI for humanity?
Quick one. Don't miss out on the next big idea. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you're always ahead of the people around you. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment below the most important thing you learned from this topic. And if you're ready to go even deeper, click on the next video right here and keep leveling up.